Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, how are you, Mishari and Firas?
Fine, teacher.
That's good. Okay, open your books, page 80.
السلام
Hello,
عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, Muhammad?
عليكم السلام.
Teacher, page what teacher.
Page
السلام عليكم
80.
ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Wa alaikum salam. Page 80, ya Saud.
How are you, Mr. Zia?
I'm fine, Firas. How are you?
I'm good. I'm the first one who entered the Zoom
Yes, you are the first
because I
one.
know your number and your passcode. Zia
That's
Science.
good. That's good.
Thank you.
Okay.
Page
Sorry,
80,
it's
okay?
page, it's E, not R. Page 80. So as you know, we are talking about conductors and insulators, electricity, okay, in this chapter.
Yes.
Now, the topic is choose your conductor. Find out how some metals are good conductors of electricity and most other materials are not. It means there are many conductors which are good conductors, but many others, most of the others are not good conductors of electricity. Okay, conductors means they allow electricity to pass through them. You understood, right? Conductor means anything which allows current or electricity to pass through. Okay, yani توصيل الكهرباء. Those are called conductors. And insulators do not allow. Mishari, can you tell me any three conductors? Any conductors? Examples of conductors? Yes, Firas. Mishari, you don't open your mic now, huh? If I
Hello,
ask
Mr.
you,
Zia.
you don't open your mic. Yes, Firas, you can answer.
I
Conductors.
can.
Yes, you can.
I forget it. I'm sorry, but
No problem. You can say any conductor which you think current will pass. Like here is written gold. Okay.
you want me to say conductor, not insulator,
Yes, not
right?
insulator. Conductor, yes. Because insulator, you gave me the answer yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah. Conductors.
And real life, forget it.
So if you see around you, you should have a wire, right? Inside
Yeah,
the wire,
wire.
what is there inside? Inside the wire, what you find?
There is a plastic.
Plastic is outside. Plastic
No,
is,
two wires, red and blue.
those are covered with plastic, right? You can touch
Yeah.
it. But inside the wire,
Inside.
there is copper, right?
Copper, yeah.
Yeah. So I will give you the idea. Okay, some metals are good conductors of electricity. Most other materials are poor conductors. So it's mean mostly the metals, any metal are good conductors like iron, nickel, cobalt, silver, aluminium. or tin etc. Okay, etc. So we will write, this is the question, list any any metals you can think of. Here's an example to get you started. Gold means zahab, sir, right? Then
Yeah,
you
gold
can
is mean
write,
ذهب, yeah.
yeah, you can write silver,
What? I
metals,
can...
iron,
Oh, silver, iron, okay.
yeah. Mishari, you understand?
Yes.
Yes, now you will open your mic, huh?
No, because I am in the bathroom.
Okay.
No problem, no problem.
Silver, iron, aluminium, and tin. These are all metals and we use them in, we don't use actually, they are conductors. They are good conductors. Okay.
Okay.
Then choose two
Okay.
of the metals on the list you do they are used for. Okay. How we use gold and silver?
Gold is like money, but it's not money.
Gold and silver are used for what? Where you use
For
gold?
selling,
For selling, but what they make?
they make money.
Like if you take paper, you will make a book, right?
Yeah,
And with
Yeah.
gold, what will you make?
money.
Jewelry, man.
With
Oh, jewelry, I'm sorry.
How will you make
Jawhara.
money with gold? With copper, you can make coin. With paper, you can make
Wait, wait,
money.
teacher. If you have a gold,
I know. I am look, Firaz, listen to me. If you have 5 reals, okay? 5 real is a
Okay.
paper, not gold.
yes.
Okay, yeah, one
Yeah.
real is papers,
Paper, yes, actually.
but it's money.
It's money, not, but actually this is a paper. What is the material? Material is paper, understand?
Yeah,
If you have half real, nus real, that is coin.
this is a gold.
That is not gold. Who has
Metal,
gold coin?
gold coin.
Mostly
I
we
don't know.
use gold in jewelry, right?
Yeah,
Make
jewelry means mean jawhara.
Yeah, you are. We make johara with gold, jewelry, gold and silver also, right?
Yes.
Men can wear silver and women wear gold and silver both. Okay, so we can write here gold. Understand Firaz now?
Yes, I understand.
Gold and silver, but you are drinking water or what? Gold and silver, jewelry. Okay. Then there is also V. Okay, then second one is copper and iron. Iron is used for cutlery. Or you can write easy for you copper. Copper is used for wires. Pots and wires. Hello, Mr. Idris, how are you? Zia, Saud, Loi, and Miss Shari. You understood? Where is Muhammad? Okay,
Teacher, I understand.
okay, gold and silver, we use both of them in jewelry, making jewelry, and copper we use to make wires or pots. Pots means what you use at home, like kasa and sahan, like, okay, plates and glasses, spoons, something like that, okay? Pots,
Okay.
okay. Finished or not?
I finish.
Okay, that's good.
صعب نتي كعب بيطلعني.
Muhammad, what happened, man?
My Wi-Fi is so good.
So good. Okay.
هي مرة.
Okay, no problem. So we were discussing
I'm
question
finishing.
number
I'm
one.
finished.
Okay. Question number one was list any metals. You can think of here's an example to start off, which is gold, silver, iron, aluminium, and tin. Okay. Aluminium is used in making doors, windows, or if you see around your home, maybe you have a wall of aluminium to cover it. Tin also used in, you see Pepsi tin pack, that is called. If you drink Pepsi or Cola, you have tin packs. So that is also metal. Yes,
Teacher, we
Abdulaziz.
finished.
Okay, so
Teacher,
hello, Abdulaziz, how are
yes, teacher. I'm fine. I'm
you?
sorry because I wasn't.
Okay, Abdulaziz, I can't hear you well.
Okay.
Okay, first question is write metals. Mostly metals are conductors of electricity, good conductors of electricity. Conductor means anything which allows current or electricity to pass through. Yani tafsil al-kahraba is good in metals, which are gold, silver, iron, aluminium, and tin. Second question is choose two metals and how we use them. We use gold and silver to make jewelry, yani johra, and copper we use to make wires and pots. This is page number 80 and we have done it. Okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
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 Okay, now move towards next page. If you need, you can watch the video again. Okay, I will send you. Question, page number 81. Page number 81. Here is an information which is written in amazing fact. A French scientist called Andre Marie Ampere invented the M meter. What is M meter? Here you can see. This is called M meter. Okay. The unit used to measure current is the ampere or amp, amp. Okay, if you are traveling in your car, if you see your speed, what is the unit of speed?
Limit.
What is the unit of speed?
280 or 300.
No, this is your not unit. This is number. What is the unit written next?
Kilometer.
Yes.
No way.
Who said?
Muhammad
Me.
Azari.
That's great, Muhammad. If you see, it will be written like if you are going on 80. It will be written kmh, kilometer per hour. Yani in 1 hour you will go 80 kilometer. Like if you are traveling if you are going any city which is 160 kilometer away. Okay.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
So if you are traveling on 80 kilometer per hour, you will go in 160 in how many hours?
2
2
hours.
hours. Very good. In 80 kilo, after 1 hour you will finish 80 kilometer. Then second hour you will finish 160. So it means you will be there 80 plus 80.
Oh,
Understand or not?
yeah, I understand.
Yes. So 1 hour.
Yes.
Yes, understand.
So in 160 kilo, this is the unit. This is the unit. Sorry, this is the unit.
Loading.
Kilometer per hour, this is your speed unit. Okay, now if you go and you want something
Damn.
in wazan yani. So what is the unit of weight? This is unit for speed.
There is so many.
This is unit for, what is unit for weight?
Kilogram.
Ya salam. Kilogram. Kilogram. Okay. Kilogram. Who will tell me
Kilogram, yeah.
what is mean by K? K. Yes.
Kilo.
Firas. K
Kilo.
means what? No. Actually, K means how many grams? K grams, right? So K grams mean how much?
No.
How many grams? Yani if I write here G only. So here I will write K. K means what? Like if you want
Gram.
10 gram, okay, then 100 gram, okay, then 1000 gram.
Okay.
You will call it gram. Okay, tell me, if you see your social media like Facebook, okay, and if you have 10K followers, what is mean by this? 10K followers.
1000.
10 kilometers.
Kilometers
No.
on Facebook, kilometers.
Kilogram.
Not kilogram, it's kilo only. K. K means, if I say 1K, kilo means 1000. K means 1000.
1000.
1000.
Fahamt? Hatim Al-Amri,
Even.
Abdul Aziz, Maya, huh? You are with me. K means 1000. Bas. Understand?
I'm with you.
Yes.
Abdul Aziz, don't open
I'm
your
with
mic.
you, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So now you understand? K means K is equal to 1000. Okay?
1000.
Okay. If somebody says 10K, it's mean
10,000.
10,000.
10,000. Ya salam. Yani 3 zeros you will add. If somebody add 100K, 100K.
100,000. 100,000.
Aywa, 100,000. Okay? Understand? So this
Yes.
unit, kilogram is unit for weight, yani wazan. Speed, we have kilometer per hour. And for current or for your electricity, you have ampere. Okay? Ampere.
Okay.
Like in your home, what you use, 200 or 140 or 160, how much? So
What?
in your home, you use electricity, right? Kaharba.
Yes.
What is the ampere? 260?
240.
240. That is
Not
ampere.
100.
If you use this, it will be written 240 ampere. Okay?
Okay.
Volt, yes.
Aywa. We use at home for 240 ampere. This is the unit of electricity. Understood? That's good.
Yes. But in America, I think it's 100.
No, I'm talking about your electricity at home. If you use 240, it's ampere. Okay, like if for weight you use kilogram, for speed you use kilometer. Okay.
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 If you are measuring something, how long it is, you say it's 5 centimeter or feet or something. So that is the unit. Okay. And for electricity,
Okay.
for current, the unit is ampere. And we wrote it like AMP. The ampere is named after him because the name of the man was Henry Mary Ampere. So they give him the name Ampere. The symbol of the ampere is A and circle. If you see A and circle, it's mean ampere. Like if it's written km, it's mean kilometer. Cm, it's mean centimeter, right? And kmh, kilometer per hour. So you can, if you see A, it's mean ampere. Then this machine is called ammeter. Ammeter. The machine is called ammeter. The unit is ampere, and the symbol of the ampere is a circle. Any problem in this?
No.
Okay.
No,
an
no.
an ammeter measures the current flow through a circuit. This was ammeter. Now 81. We have question number 1. Which metal was the best conductor? Which metal was the best conductor? Which we use in our wires, that is copper. So this is the best conductor. Number 2. What does the ammeter measure? The ammeter measures current, yani kahrba, in amp, yani amperes. Okay.
Okay.
This is ammeter. I told you now. This is ammeter. It uses for what? We use it for measuring current in amperes. Now, last question. What other materials conduct electricity? Okay. Other materials are steel, iron, and gold. Okay. Which metal was the best conductor? Sorry, that is copper. What does an ammeter measure? Current in amperes.
Current
What
in
ma-
angles.
yes. What other materials conduct electricity?
Steel,
Steel,
iron,
iron, and
and
gold.
gold.
Thank you, Saud. Okay, write them all quickly.
Teacher, I
Iron.
finish.
Ayi nafar baki? Anyone left? Who didn't
No,
write?
teacher, I finish it.
Okay, now we will move towards the next page, which is page number 82. Firas, I can't hear you well. Your internet is very good. Okay, here you have using metals and plastics. Learn why metals.
Hello.
Firas, I can't hear you well. Just wait, let me finish. Learn why metals are used for cables and wires, and why plastics are used to cover the wires and as covers for plugs and switches. Because plastics are insulators and we can grab them from here, right? The silk, and from here the switch, fish. Inside the plug or fish, this is the picture. Inside, yani jua hagal fish. Metals are used for cables and wires. Plastics are used to cover them. Also used as covers for plugs and switches. So this is the picture.
Teacher.
Just wait, Firas. So this is number 1 wire, which is used here inside. Inside the wire, the big wire, which is cable. This one is cable. Cable. Here is fuse.
Casing and
Yes, fuse. Rana bhai. Fuse, and here is casing. Casing means your mobile casing is also outside. So this is also as outside, the outer part of anything, which is casing. So we cover with casing the switch, the plug, okay, which is plastic basically. Plastics are insulator. If there is also if you use here also conductor, you will get current, shock. Yes, Firas, now you can ask what you want. Firas, I can't hear you. You're
I said, do you hear
Yes.
me well?
yes, now it's good. Just now.
Okay, but just I want to try if you hear me or not.
Okay. Look at the picture of the plug, label that's and we did it. Then next question is make a list of all materials you can see in the picture. Here is an example. If we can see plastic, we can see metal, which is here. We use metal here. Metal, copper, and steel. We see in this plastic, metal, copper, and steel. Okay, boys. Any question for today?
Teacher, me finish.
Okay.
Zero
Not-
questions for me.
Okay, just tell me who is absent today. We have
Abdulaziz,
9. Abdulaziz is there.
No, okay, he's
Hatim. Hatim, yes.
Amri.
Hatim Al-Amri. He was there once. I saw him.
He lives.
Okay,
He
Hatim.
left.
I think he is missing. Okay. Loy is there. Mishari is there. Muhammad Azari and Saud. Everybody is there.
All is there.
Mashallah. All are there, not all is. Is for one or for more.
But he
Two
said
or-
all. It means for all.
Yes, for all are here. Okay. This is it for today. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you and goodbye.
I have a question.
Yes. Fadal ya Firas.
What is the homework?
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye.
Just write this and send me what I gave you. Homework is
Okay.
I can check you.
Today? Okay, teacher.
No, there is no homework.
Okay.
Just revise this. Okay. Conductor, insulator,
Okay.
and everything. Parts of switch also. Parts of a plug also. Good.